All right, we got the NINJA Foodi, and we've had this thing for a while now, and we're going to do a review on it. As far as cleaning goes, it's really easy to clean. It's got the base pan. Usually gets a little grease in there.
But it's non-stick kind of, so it's easy to get it clean.
Just get most of the grease out of it. Throw it down, get some hot water going. Now, did it come with this?
No,
one?
that one was with the wood fire grill.
Okay.
The NINJA wood fire grill.
So we'll probably put a link in there for this thing, because it works really good on this one. Works really, really well.
Mm-hmm.
And we're going to show you, we got a new smoke detector, and it's a game changer for this indoor grill. It really helps out. There you go, just dry it out, making sure it's dry. Put that back in there.
Now the other part's a little bit trickier. It's a little bit more time consuming.
Power wash. Yeah, this is a little bit more.
Because of all the grooves and everything. And it's dishwasher safe. This actually goes in the dishwasher.
So we think.
Yeah.
Did we confirm
No,
that?
I use it in there. I mean, I don't know.
She puts it in the
I
dishwasher.
put it in there. But we didn't have enough time right now, so.
Yeah, she usually just starts it in the dishwasher and it's done and ready to go. And but I have to do this a lot too, because
Look how good that soap does when he sprays that on there.
guess how many times a week we use this thing? It's almost every day.
Oh yeah, we had it last night for steaks. I'm pretty sure we had hamburgers the night before.
It's like we're in a race. The fun part of cooking.
I mean, I kind of like this.
Yeah, and I didn't think, and actually people was complaining about how hard this was to clean.
No,
And it is so easy.
you just have to have the right soap.
Yeah, this thing, I think this is easier than the wood fire myself. Let's take it out, put it in the right way. And that bottom thing's a grease catcher. Now we've been trying to get this clean up here, and I don't know, it just seems like it can't get all the way clean.
No.
And that may be the problem we was having, because we do a lot of hamburgers and stuff on this, and we was setting off the smoke alarm, so we got that new smoke detector, which it doesn't go off like it used to. So we're gonna cook some burgers on this, and this thing's just been great for us. This is one of our most used.
Mm-hmm. But our one complaint,
What's that?
it's not loud enough when it needs to flip or the food's done.
Yes, the beeper noise, I would like it to go off a couple times, and a lot of times we don't hear it.
Yeah.
So unlike the other one that's got the app and stuff like that, this...
That's really our only thing we've said.
And we use this a lot for steaks, and it's got the thermometer on it. And this thing, we just cooked steaks on it yesterday, and it just does a great job with steaks. And maybe we'll do a video on steaks next. So we're just gonna fire this up, preheat it, and it's super easy. We use this for an air fryer. What else do you use it for?
Did we bake anything?
We've tried bacon on it.
And then the grill, that's our main.
Yeah, that's our main thing, and you could do more. I want to try eggs in it, but this only has the heat coming down from the top. It's not actually a grill. It warms up the plate that gets hot, but it does a great job. It takes a little bit to preheat, but it's not bad.
I think it's quicker than the wood fire grill.
Yes, I do too. It's smaller inside, but it's got a grill, air crisp, which that's the air fryer. Then let me get out of the light. Roast, bake, broil, and dehydrate.
Yeah, we'd like to do some dehydrate, maybe do some jerky or something on it.
Yeah, we did that with the outdoor grill, and I don't think we had the flavor
Yeah, we
right.
didn't have the flavor
because
right.
we was trying to do keto, carnivore.
Yeah.
Sugar makes everything
Yeah.
taste. I mean, come
Brown
on.
sugar.
Come on. All right, we'll let this preheat, and we'll be right back. All right, it beat. And we like to use these Member Smart. These are really good. They're 1/3 of a pound. So it is very hard to fit 4 of them on here.
I can only do about 3, unless you get real creative.
I can't remember how I did. I think I did it like this maybe.
I guess it'll cook down and... Ah!
It's a little puzzle. So we're gonna try these at 11, flip them over halfway and see how they look. But this thing cooks these so good. It's the final countdown. And here we go. Got it?
Yeah.
Look at that masterpiece. We just did the bacon video.
Bacon.
Bacon? Oh, the burger video. I'm sorry. It's got bacon on it. It's got bacon on it. But this thing does so good. My full review on this thing is just as one of the best things we've had. One of the best things we've bought. And you was talking about the space it takes up.
Yeah, it's not very big at all. You can see our counters are not very big, but we love it. It's a perfect size.
Yeah, it fits. We use it almost every day. I still got bacon grease all over me. But it is just amazing. I think it's easy to clean. The burgers are the worst thing that we do. So...
As far as cleaning?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you do a steak, it's easy. I mean, anything else, air fryer stuff, the chicken stuff, it's easy.
Yeah, and it has an extra basket that's just for the air fry.
Yeah, a crisper basket. But, and having this for the steaks, that temperature probe, it just has the one, but I've not had any problem with that. It's been working fine. The cook times, I think Ninja wants you to let them rest or something inside here to get your temperatures up more. And that's the only problem we've been having is I take them out too early and I don't wait until the internal temperature is perfect. And we're getting that figured out. It's not too bad. But, I mean, you can't ask for anything better. Well, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications.
Catch you on the next review.
Bye.
Bye.
Now, we just want to talk about the smoke detector a little bit. It's really, I'll try to put a link in down below. It's really helped out having this. Every time we would cook burgers, it would go off. Unless you open the windows or something. And we don't have to worry about that anymore with the new smoke detector. And what it does is it doesn't sense false alarms as much. And it's got a 10-year battery. It's about $30, I believe. But we'll put a link down below like we usually do. It's been working great. Thank you very much. We already said that.
Yeah, you already said that.
Okay. All right.
Bye.
Bye.